Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to DevCode. In today's Flutter widget of the day, we are taking a quick and practical look at a badge widget in Flutter. Want to show a notification count or dot on an icon? This widget makes it super easy. Let's dive in. The badge widget used to display status indicator like unread messages or alert on top of another widget like an icon or images. Only you want to do wrap this icon widget with badge widget. And when I run my app, you can see a dot at top right corner of this icon. Now let's see some important properties of badge widget. First, if you want to increase the size of this dot, you can use small size property and give any value like 20, and when you run your app, you can notice that the size of the dot is increased. And if you want to change the color of this dot, you can use property background color and change any color you want. There is another property. If you want to change the alignment of this dot, use alignment property and alignment dot, and you can use any alignment like top left, and when I run my app, this dot shift to top left. Now if you want to add a label, use label property, and you can use any widget here. So I can use text widget and add value anything like 12, and when I run my app, you can see here dot is replaced with the number. You can also change the text style, padding, text color if you want to change the color of this text, and this property large size. If you want to increase the size of the label, you can use this property large size and give any value, and when you run your app, you can see that the label size increase. So that's the badge widget in Flutter. Super useful, highly customizable, and perfect for modern UI. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you. Comment below which widget you want to see next, and subscribe to DevCode for more daily Flutter widget. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Khuda Hafiz.